OnePlus has officially confirmed its summer launch event will take place on July 8th, including the Nord 5 and Nord CE5. The Nord CE5 overall design is identical, so you get a flat front display and a flat rear panel with rounded corners. The back also has a vertically stacked dual camera setup. The Nord CE5 is the global version of the Ace 5 Racing Edition. It comes in white and black color options. The OnePlus Nord CE5 could feature a 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with the same 120Hz refresh rate. It may run on the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chip. The Nord CE5 gets a slight downgrade with the mid-range Dimensity 8350 SoC. Run Android 15 OS-based Oxygen OS 15 custom skin out of the box, featuring 8GB of RAM and storage variants of 128GB or 256GB. The CE May 5th include a 50-megapixel main and 8-megapixel ultra-wide rear cameras, but the front camera could be a 16-megapixel unit. A 5200 mAh battery with 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.